Hi, Marcel here from Bowater Hyundai in Nelson. We're having a big promotion on Santa Fe this week. So this is my car of the week. It is a 2015 Santa Fe Elite 2.2 turbo diesel all-wheel drive. So being the Elite model, it has the leather seats, heated seats, electric seats with memory function. So you can each have your own memory position for your seat. Also push button start, proximity entry, Bluetooth phone, reversing camera and sensors. Really well spec vehicle. As I said, all-wheel drive, turbo diesel, so fantastic for any lifestyle, going up the mountain, going, mountain biking, kayaking, towing the boat, whatever you need for your lifestyle. Now this one here has travelled just 106,000 Ks, and we've got this one on at 26,990. So great value for money, New Zealand new, fantastic condition, looks absolutely stunning in black with the factory roof racks and tow bar. So give me a call, Marcel, Bowater Hyundai, 027 688 3639 to arrange your personalised viewing and test drive.